Hi everyone, I am Zahara Rasheeda. This is my web application which I have created for web programming and database management questions. So today I am going to discuss about the 36th question of database management. So this is the 36th question. So now let's go to the first question. Create with view to find registered customers at Arali Shoe Center. So that means we need to create a view to find the registered customers in the Arali Shoe Center. So now I will write a query. To select a strip from user where user type ID now I will give a subquery in select user type dot user type ID from user type table where user type user type name which is equal to customer. Now when I execute the query, you can see I have got 3 records. Now here I will enter the columns that I need to get the details. I need the user ID and also the first name, user's last name, now when I execute the query, you can see I have got the user's ID, first name and the last name. After that, to create a view, here I will enter as create view here I will give a name as registered Now when I refresh the database, here you can see a view have been created. So now when I write a query as select a strip from, I will give the view's name as registered. Now when I execute the query, you can see I have got the table. So this is how we should answer the first question. Now let's go to the second question. Create with view to find details of more than 10 products with the brand name Bata. So that means we need to create a view that to find the details of more than 10 products with the brand name Bata. So now I will clear this query and I will write a select query as select asterisk from products, and I will use the where keyword to mention what I need to find is the product ID. Now I will add a subquery as select grn item product ID from grn item I will use inner join to join the stock table where grn item dot product ID in, I will add another subquery as select product ID from product where the product's brand ID and again I will write a subquery as select the brand ID from the brand table where the brand name which is equal to Bata. And to get more than 10, here I will use the AND keyword stock, the quantity should be more than 10. Now when I execute the query, you can see I have got two records, that the product quantity which is higher than 10. After that, to create the view, here I will write as create view and I will give a name as more than 10. Now when I execute the query and I will refresh the database, so you can see here the view have been created. So this is how we should write the query for the second question. Now let's go to the third question. Find the name of the product with the highest selling price. So that means we need to find the name of the product with the highest selling price. Now I will write the query. Now I will clear this query. I will write a select query, select strip from product table, I will use the where keyword. Select asterisk from product. I will join the GRN item table using inner join. GRN item dot selling price, and here I will add a subquery, and I will use select. To find the highest selling price, I will use the max keyword. Inside the brackets, I will give the table name and the column name. From GRN item. Now when I execute the query, you can see I have got the record. Now I will enter the column names. Which I need to create the table. Product ID, product name, product description, quantity, the selling price, now when I execute the query, you can see these are the columns which I need to create the table of the highest mark. So to create a view, here I will add create view. Now when I execute the query, and when I refresh the database, you can see here the view have been created. Now here when I write a query, select asterisk from max selling price. Now when I execute the query, you can see I have got the record. So you can see I have got the record of the highest selling price. So this is the query for the fourth question. Now let's go to the. So this is the query for the third question. Now let's go to the fourth question. Find the name of the product with the lowest selling price. So that means we need to find the name of the product of the lowest selling price. Now I will write a query as select or from product. As usual, I will join the GRN item table using inner join. On GRN item product ID, which is equal to the product table product ID. Now I will use the where keyword to mention what I need to find in GRN item table. The selling price. Here I will write a subquery. Inside the brackets, I will write select, and to find the lowest mark, I will use the min keyword. And inside the brackets, I will mention the table name and also the column name. GRN item, the column name is selling price, from GRN item table. Now when I execute the query, you can see this is the record which have got the lowest selling price. So to get only the columns I need, here I will write the column names, the product ID, the product name, and also the description. GRN item, the quantity, and the selling price. Now when I execute the query, you can see this is how I have got the result. Now to create a view, here I will write as create view. Now when I execute the query and when I refresh the database, you can see the view have been created lowest selling price. So here when I write a query as select as from lowest selling price, you can see I have got the result of the lowest selling price. So this is how we should answer the 36th question. Hope you understood everything. Thank you.